I'd like to have a real conversation with you, something meaningful where we genuinely connect with one another. The reason I want to do that is because that will increase both of our happiness levels. We crave connection as human beings, and so meaningful conversations bring that. To contrast, of course, we have small talk. So small talk can often be boring. There's only so many times I can hear in response to "how are you?" "Oh, I'm okay, not bad for a Monday, getting there." Where is there? It's so non-specific. And more to the point, it's not telling me anything about the person's actual life. So small talk lacks authenticity because it's not giving any actual juice to a real conversation. Meaningful conversations, they talk about love, life, hopes, and dreams. Now, it doesn't have to be an essay, but it could be something as simple as, "I've got a friend's wedding on this weekend and I'm really looking forward to it. My daughter's birthday's coming up and I'm trying to think about what to buy her." Maybe it's a new passion that you're looking into, something you're studying about. And when we open up like that, we open up a door for that person to express what their hopes and dreams are too, because we are all human. We all have family and friends and pursuits and other things outside of the day-to-day of life and also work. So in the work context, I want to start off with a challenge for you. You may find that there are opportunities to get to know your work colleagues more. You can still be completely professional and not overstep any personal boundaries by authentically connecting with people and having a meaningful conversation. Those examples then about birthdays and passions and dreams and social events, and maybe looking into something that you want to do on your house and you could do with some advice about it. Anything really. Just talk about stuff that is outside of work, that is of genuine interest to you and is of love and passion and is about an aspiration for the future. It's up to you what it is. It can also, by the way, be something as simple as, "I had a workout this morning. I went for a run and I'm feeling good. I feel like I'm getting fit again." That then opens the door to have a conversation with them about, well, what are they doing in life? Are they doing similar things? Maybe they aspire to be running every day like you're doing and you're an inspiration to them and that's something you can connect on. Now, a meaningful conversation shouldn't be overthought. It's not in the head, it's speaking from the heart. And when you speak from the heart, that's how you open up a conversation. So my challenge to you is, in a work environment, try doing that with your colleagues. If you don't work in an environment with fellow colleagues, then try it with a stranger. I actually do this all the time with people on the phone that I'm having a chat with. And I know it might sound like a nutball, but it works really nicely. You can then move on to normal matters of business, but share your life. Now, let's talk about friendship. It's been shown in many studies, and this particular one here with the link, that people that share positive experiences with their friends have increased levels of happiness. If you're holding back from sharing this positive experience, you're missing out on that opportunity to connect and also share that joy with one another. So have a look at this study here if you wish, but it's a very simple thing. Share what's present for you. And again, that friend may either completely relate, be up to the same thing, and then you've connected, or maybe they are inspired by your positive experience and you can help them out. Helping people out is also a great source of happiness. So connect with people, be real, talk about life, love, dreams, aspirations, the future, whatever it is, and just speak from the heart. Doesn't need to be overcooked, but share and connect with one another.